Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm going to make a video presentation about uh, finding the draft due to the change of density by using the hydrostatic tables. Okay, guys, let's start. So here, finding draft due to change of density by using the hydrostatic tables. Okay, guys, just read this one. Let's proceed to the sample. But if you have time, please read this one, and this will explain of how to find the draft due to change of density by using the hydrostatic tables. But here we start with the sample. Okay, sample 3.7. Find the draft of the same displacement in different water densities. Okay, so you will find the draft with the same displacement in a different water densities. So we have here a sample of MV Max Panama, and this mean drop in salt water is 13.29. Find the mean drop in dark water density of 1.13, meaning what will be his mean drop when the vessel floats in 1.013 water density of 1.013. Okay, meaning so this is the draft of 13.29, and the salt water displacements is 78817. So let's check, guys. 13.29, so that will be here 13.29. so 13.29 is between 1320 and 1340, so he's in between here. Okay, that will be interpolated. So I have already a program here which is can interpolate the draft. So we put here 13.29. okay, we can put it here 13.29. So the drop is displacement is 78818. So 78818. So here 78188. Okay, so in between here, so 7818. But according to the solution here, the problem, the drop is 7817. Okay, we'll just stick to this displacement of 7817. Okay. Step 1, calculate the volume of water displacement of 13.13 when he is floating in a drop of 1.013. Okay, this displacement is in salt water because we stuck this from the hydrostatic table, because all the figures in hydrostatic table is based on salt water. So volume was weight over density. So volume of displacement equals the weight, which is the displacement over your density of 1.013. And the answer to that will be volume of displacement is 77805.5. Okay. Volume of water displaced equals underwater volume of the ship. So when you divide this displacement of 78817 divided by the density of 1.013, you will have volume of displacement is 77805.5. Okay. Now look up this graph that corresponds to the underwater volume by multiplying the volume by 1.025. Weight. The problem here is weight equals volume times density. So look up displacement equals volume times density to find the weight. Okay, so you have here the volume, which is we have in step number 1 of 78805.5, which is this one, times density of 1.025. It says here multiply by volume of 1.025, and you will have lookup displacement of 7975.0.6 or 79751, and the corresponding drop will be 13.435. I will try to use this. Okay, let's first proceed to the problem, or then this will be your corresponding drop to this displacement of 7975.0.6. Okay, this lookup displacement, which is this one, corresponds to the drop of 13.435. Okay, at this drop, this 13.35, the underwater volume is 770805, which is this one. Okay, or this one, which is equal to the volume of the actual displacement of 78817. Okay, when the density is floating in 1.013, meaning this 7085 is equal to the volume of the actual drop of 817. So this one is equal to this one. Okay, the above calculation can be shortened to lookup displacement equals present displacement times 1.025 over your local density of 1.013, and lookup displacement transpose this one is 78817, which is this one. Okay, which you get from the drop of 13.29 times 1.025, which is the salt water, because this 78817 is salt water. So multiply this by 1.025, then divide it by the local density or your present density of 1.013, and the answer to this equation is 7975.0.7. From the hydrostatic tables, this corresponds to 13.35, and this will be the density of 1.013. So this will be your displacement, and your draft will be 13.435. We are floating in a density of 1.013. Okay, reminder, it should be clearly understood that the actual displacement of the ship remains as 78817. So this will be the actual displacement of the ship, which is 78817 metric tons. The weight of the volume of this displacement is not equal displacement at a drop. It was found only to facilitate obtaining the new drop from the hydrostatic table, which is tabulated as for vessel in salt water. Okay. Now I will show you the program. Okay. Let's go back to the problem. The vessel MV max Panamax mean drop is 13.29. Okay, and find the main drop when she floats in a density of 1.013. So we go to, I have this. So the displacement of 13.29 is 78817. So we'll check again, guys. That will be how much? What will be that? 1329. So we got here 1329. The drop displacement is 78817. but he has 7817, okay? But we will investigate this through the, I have a program here for meaning conversion of density, okay? So from the drop of 13.29, displacement was 78817, okay? 78817. That will be the saltwater displacement. To get the water displacement, is the formula is displacement times 1.025 over water density. Okay, so with this current displacement of 78817 here times your salt water of 1.025. By the way, this is salt water, okay, here, times 1.025 of salt water over your dock water or your DD or your local displacement of 1.013. So the answer would that be 797550.67, which is this one, 79,570.50.6, okay? 79,750.67. But we have here 0.6 only. And the corresponding drop would be 13.435. Okay, so we got here 7975.1, which is rounded up, and what will be his corresponding drop of 79751. 79 how much? 79751. 79751. This corresponding drop is 13435. So we put here 13435. 13435. That will be his corresponding drop to the dock water displacement of 79531, and that the local displacement will be 1.013, and his displacement will be 79751, and the corresponding drop is 13.35. And let's check, guys. This corresponding drop is 13.35. Okay. Now, I want to emphasize this one. This is the draft that program that I made. So, if you look, saltwater to dock water density. So, this is your saltwater displacement, corresponds to 13.29, and this will be your local density of 1.013 and constant of saltwater of 1.025. So, to get the dock water density equals is your displacement of salt water times your constant of salt water of 1.025 over your local density of 1.013. So transpose displacement, which is 78817, times the salt water density of 1.025 over your dock water density or your local density of 1.013, and the answer would be 79750.67, or to round it up, 79751, and the corresponding drop will be 13.435 when you are floating in 1.013. So this will be your dark water displacement, 79751, which is this one, guys. Okay, so let's proceed. This lookup displacement corresponds to the drop of, meaning this one, corresponds to the drop of 13.35. At this drop, the underwater volume of 78805, this one, which is equal to the volume actual displacement of 7817, which is this one, guys. So this one is equal to this 7880.5. Okay, so if you divide this with 78817, you divide it with the local density of 1.013, and this volume of displacement will be 7780.5.5. So this one is equal to this one when you are when you divide of one local density of 1.013, which is this one. Okay, so this one are the same. That is what it's going to say, is saying. The 77.80.5 cubic meter is equal to the volume of the actual displacement of 8817. That is what he meant when the density is 1.013. Okay, the above calculation can be shortened to, in lookup displacement of present displacement, which is 78817, this is the local displacement, times 1.025, which is this one, guys, 78817. This is salt water. So since this is salt water, you multiply it with salt water 1.025 over your local density of 1.013, which is this one, and the resultant value will be, what will be, this one. Bakit dalawa? Nangyari? Okay, so I have to take out the other one. Photos. Okay. This will be the answer, guys, 79750.7, which is 7975.0, but round it up, you have 7975.1 with the corresponding drop of 13.435. Okay, that will be, take out this one, guys. Okay, then we go to, just read this one, guys. It says it should be clearly understood that the actual displacement of the ship remains 78817. The weight of the volume of displacement is not her actual displacement at the drop. It is found only to facilitate obtaining the new drop from the hydrostatic table, which is tabulated for the vessel in salt water. Now we go to 3.8. MV Max Panama present displacement is 7080. Using the ship's hydrostatic table, find the draft if she floats the water at density 1.012. Okay, this is now the formula, guys. To make it shorter, lookup displacement equals this present displacement of 77080 times the water density of 10, salt water density of 0.25 over your local density where vessel floats of 1.012, and the corresponding duct water displacement is 78070. Okay, and the corresponds to the hydrostatic table drop will be 13.174. So I'll just use this my formula, guys. Okay, 7080. So the saltwater displacement is how much, guys? 77080. That will be 77080. Oh, let me check again to make sure. Okay, 080. Okay, the corresponding drop of this displacement doesn't say anything, so we'll just check this one. 778. Okay, 77080. Okay, the corresponding drop will be 1302. Okay, 1302. That will be 13.02. That will be 778. 0880. Okay. Okay. Then you transpose this saltwater displacement, put it here, and you multiply this with 1.025, which is this one, and over your local density of how much? What was your local density of 1.012? So we change this one with 1.012, and here it is now 1.012, and the resultant displacement will be 78070. Okay, so this will be your duct water displacement of 78070. 78070. 78070. Okay, 78070. Check. That will be 78080. Okay, then you press enter. The corresponding drop will be 13.174. 13.174. 13.174. And let's see the check. Let's check. The corresponding drop is 13.174. Okay. So with this, using this manual computation, you will derive with this displacement, lookup displacement of 78070. But in the program here, you just input your saltwater displacement, your corresponding drop, the local water density, then you will actually get the displacement, the water displacement of 78070, which is this one, 78070, and you will get the corresponding drop of 13.178. Okay, which is this one, guys. 13.174. I'm sorry, 13.174, and you get here 13.174. Of course, you have to look at the hydrostatic table to get this drop. Okay, and this one is the reverse, duck water to salt water. So you have this displacement of duck water, which is 78070, and the corresponding drop will be 13.174, which is this one, and the duck water displacement or density, duck water density is 1.012, this one, and this you have the salt water. So salt water displacement, to find the salt water displacement, is this displacement of 7807 times your duck water density 1.012 over your salt water density, and you will have 77080, which is this one. Okay, 7780, which is this one, salt water, and the corresponding drop will be 13.02. Okay, so this is just a shortcut, guys, of computing the density. So you can just post this in your video and try to copy this formula in Excel form. Copy this formula in Excel form, and you will reach this figure of the water displacement and here salt water displacement. Then you look at the hydrostatic table to get the corresponding drop, and so with this one. Okay, just a moment, guys. I have to put the corresponding. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope you like this video presentation, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.